Hello everyone, welcome to KonnecttzIT training videos. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can connect Moosend to different apps and all using KonnecttzIT. So before we creating a workflow, let us start by authorizing Moosend inside KonnecttzIT. So for authorizing Moosend, search for Moosend app. So click on the app and click on add account. This will ask you for API key, so that you will be getting it from Moosend app. So go to Moosend and settings, under API key, just copy the API key and go to KonnecttzIT and paste the API key and click on send continue. So this will going to authorize Moosend inside KonnecttzIT. So for all those who don't know what is Moosend, Moosend is an email marketing tool. You can manage all your email list and email automation you can do inside Moosend. So now let's start building a workflow. I'll be creating a workflow of like whenever you get a lead. So I'm going to use lead ads like Facebook lead ads for this. So I'll be sending that to Moosend. So basically creating an like adding that to my email list. So let's see how I will be achieving this automation using KonnecttzIT. So for this, search for Facebook lead ad, as this is our trigger. So I'll be getting the lead from Facebook lead ads. So just drag and drop Facebook lead ads and select your account and select the trigger as new lead and search for your page for your lead ad form. So select your lead ad form and hit on test and review. So once you hit on test and review, under this plus icon you will be able to see the custom variables inside your form, which you can add it onto KonnecttzIT canvas for your further automation. So now let's search for Moosend. Just drag and drop Moosend. So KonnecttzIT support all these actions, triggers and actions of Moosend. That is, you can add a new subscriber, update a new subscriber, or you can remove a subscriber or unsubscribe a subscriber from particular mailing list, or you can even get the subscriber list and also the mailing list details. So right now for this automation, I'm going to create a new subscriber. So whenever I get a new lead from my Facebook lead ad, I'll be choosing my mailing list and it will ask me for name and email address, so which I got it from my Facebook lead ad. Just connect between the nodes, name to the name field and email field to the email field. That's it. So just hit on test and review. Automatically this subscriber will be created inside Moosend. So let's go to Moosend mailing list. So this is my mailing list and you can see a new member will be added inside KonnecttzIT. So you can see there is a email address and it also sees like where of the source from. So this is from the API integration of KonnecttzIT. So now let's go ahead and publish our connect. So I just published my workflow successfully. So now I will go to Facebook lead ads and create a new lead. So I'll just going to use my name and then click on next and click on submit. So once I did this, automatically a new subscriber will be added inside Moosend. So let's go ahead and refresh our page. Yes guys, you can see that a new subscriber by name Rakesh Mahesh is added for Moosend, so through the source API integration. So this is how you can integrate Moosend and you can create multiple different workflows Hope you guys like this integration, and if you have any doubts on this particular integration, do drop me on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.